Are you ready to take your craftsmanship to the next level? In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of CNC machines, where precision meets creativity. We'll be exploring the top 5 CNC machines that will revolutionize the way you bring your ideas to life. From beginner-friendly options to professional-grade powerhouses, these machines offer incredible capabilities and features that will leave you in awe. And I mentioned all product links in the description box. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. SainSmart Genmitsu CNC Router Machine. This CNC router machine is a versatile and reliable machine that allows you to bring your creative ideas to life. With its sturdy construction and powerful performance, this CNC router is a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. One of the standout features of the Genmitsu is its easy assembly process. You don't need to be a technical expert to set it up, as it comes with clear instructions and all the necessary tools. The router boasts a large working area of 11.8 to 7.1 and 1.8 inches, giving you plenty of space to work with various materials. Genmitsu offers great compatibility with various software, such as GRBL and Candle, making it easy to create and execute your designs. Its emergency stop button provides added safety, giving you peace of mind while working on your projects. What we like about it: easy assembly process, large working area, powerful motor, offline controller operation, software compatibility. What we don't like about it: may require some adjustments for optimal performance, limited to smaller size projects. Number 2. MYSWEETY CNC Engraver Machine. The MYSWEETY CNC Engraver machine is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise performance. It is an ideal choice for hobbyists and enthusiasts who want to explore the world of CNC machining without breaking the bank. Despite its affordable price, the 3018 Pro M offers impressive features. It boasts a durable and compact design, making it easy to fit into any workspace. The machine's working area of 11.8 to 7.1 to 1.8 inches provides ample space for your projects. This engraver machine is equipped with a 775 spindle motor that delivers reliable and precise cutting performance. It supports various materials, including wood, plastic, acrylic, and even soft metals like aluminum. The machine also features an offline controller, allowing you to operate it without the need for a computer. What we like about it: affordable price, compact design, versatile cutting capabilities, offline controller operation. What we don't like about it: assembly instructions may be unclear for beginners, not suitable for large-scale projects. Number 3. Genmitsu CNC Router Machine. This CNC router machine is a professional-grade machine that offers exceptional precision and performance. With its extended working area and advanced features, this CNC router is perfect for experienced users and those who demand high-quality results. This CNC router utilizes an integrated mainboard and offline controller, allowing you to work without the need for a constant computer connection. It supports various software options like GRBL and Candle, giving you flexibility in designing and executing your projects. It also comes with an emergency stop button for enhanced safety. What we like about it: large working area, professional-grade performance, stable and accurate cutting, offline controller operation, advanced control features. What we don't like about it: higher price point, may require technical expertise for optimal setup and operation. Number 4. Masuter 4040 CNC Router Machine. This CNC router machine is a compact and powerful tool that delivers excellent precision and versatility. Its robust construction and user-friendly features make it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. This CNC router is compatible with popular software like MACH3 and GRBL, making it easy to design and execute your projects. It supports multiple materials, including wood, plastic, acrylic, and soft metals. It comes with an intuitive control panel and an emergency stop button, ensuring safe and convenient operation. It offers precise control over cutting depths and speeds, allowing you to achieve intricate and detailed designs. What we like about it: compact design, versatile cutting capabilities, compatibility with popular software, intuitive control panel. What we don't like about it: relatively small working area, may require additional accessories for specific applications. Number 5. FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Engraving Machine. The FoxAlien Masuter Pro CNC Engraving Machine is a robust and high-performance tool designed for professional-grade projects. With its all-metal construction and advanced features, this CNC machine provides exceptional precision and durability. This CNC machine is equipped with a user-friendly control panel and an emergency stop button, providing convenience and safety during operation. It supports various software options like MACH3 and GRBL, making it compatible with different design workflows. What we like about it: all metal construction, spacious working area, powerful spindle moto, user-friendly control panel. What we don't like about it: higher price point. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Comment below for any issues. I'm here to assist. Enjoy life with our cool products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.